Lazada, part of the Alibaba Group ecosystem, is a leading e-commerce marketplace in Southeast Asia, operating across Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. For software developers building SaaS products in e-commerce, logistics, analytics, ERP, OMS, or multi-channel management, integration with Lazada API is essential for SaaS business success. Integrating with Lazada API software providers to attract Lazada sellers and expand market share. Lazada's API provides software developers with programmatic access to Lazada's functionality. Lazada API is based on RESTful with standard HTTP methods, including GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. For data exchange, this API employs normal data formats by securing JSON, JavaScript object notation. It offers developers a simplified method of parsing information. Authentication using the Lazada API is based on OAuth 2.0. In order to work with this API, developers must be able to authenticate their applications and obtain access tokens for API requests using their application programming interface API credentials, such as client ID and client secret. Lazada API integration development is a software developer process that entails knowing and using Lazada Open Platform API. Software developers use the Lazada API to integrate and leverage all the features and data available on the Lazada. Lazada API integration allows software developers to help merchants manage their product listings and grants e-commerce software providers the ability to provide more scalable SaaS solutions. However, in-house integration development with Lazada API is a challenging process. Instead of building a complex integration from scratch, API 2Cart provides an effective, powerful, and reliable solution. API 2Cart offers a unified API that allows your e-commerce software to integrate with Lazada and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Etsy, Wix, OpenCart, Shopee, Temu, Flipkart, TikTok Shop, and others at once, all through a single integration API. 2Cart also provides 100+ API methods to access, manage, and sync important store data, such as orders, products, customers, inventory, shipments, and more. For accurate data mapping and stable request handling, software developers rely on the Lazada API docs to validate endpoints, parameters, and response structures before deploying the integration. By using a unified API, you reduce development complexity, lower maintenance costs, and gain the flexibility to expand into additional marketplaces with minimal effort. Contact us today and explore how to develop Lazada API integration via API 2Cart easily. Start your 14-day free trial right now.